Uyo.
Yeah.
Uli. Uli.
Wait, give us this. Tweka tukaziuza wana.
Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his sister, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by that state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused person. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within matching the division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail